Hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Grace. I am 7 years old. I'm studying grade 1. This is indeed a wonderful day. Our hearts are filled with gladness to my fellow completer. Congratulations for a job well done. We may be apart all through the academic this year 2023, but know that we are friends by heart. To our dear parents, you deserve all the praises we can give for your love, patience, and care. We cannot achieve anything without your guidance every day. To our teachers who tried their best to provide learning and unlock our skills. And to God Almighty, who is faithful to us. Thank you for the safety of our family, for the good health, and for the chance to learn despite of the challenges we are facing. One day, we will look back at this moment. We will share how different our experience has been. We should be proud of ourselves because we are not just normal learners. We are brave and survivors. Again, as we say goodbye, let us keep shining in our own ways and do not stop learning every day. Thank you and God bless you all.